All set now, ready to race. Race number 8. Away they go. Amsterdam from the outside. Sweet Lorky, stunning success. Dugus Paramore, super elegant. Down on the inside, rising up. Ever charming. Wondrous Win running by Dral Aras. Baby Dugo third last. Silver Ridge and Elusive Wind running at the tail of the field. Sweet Lorky, followed by Dugus Paramore from the outside to grab the lead. It's now Dugus Paramore, followed by Sweet Lorky. Amsterdam is running in third by Drell. A stunning success alongside his Aras as they race the last 500. Dugus Paramore by about 2 lengths, followed by Amsterdam. Sweet Lorky, a stunning success on the outside. Aras and Wondrous Win as they swing for home. Dugus Paramore by a length and a half, followed by Sweet Lorky. Amsterdam, stunning success on the outside. Aras, Wondrous Win, but Dugus Paramore by about 3 lengths, followed by Sweet Lorky, and nearing the finish line, 5-8 Dugus Paramore. Sweet Lorky, Baby Dugo, stunning success.